you're a cold brew coffee fan like me and you want to learn how to make it at home, then you're in luck. Today I'm going to show you how to make a top-notch cup of cold brew with ease. And as a bonus, we're going to spice it up with a little Werther's Original whipped cream. So stay tuned. There's nothing like a nice cup of coffee, and anyone who knows me knows that I love coffee. And one of my favorite coffees to drink is cold brew. And recently I was shocked to learn the number of people who don't know how to make it at home. So I'm going to show you. So here's what you'll need. Okay, so, full disclosure. Sometimes in cooking, things go awry. Not every recipe works out perfect the first time, and this was definitely the case with our whipped cream. That's what happens when you mix hot caramel in with cold cream. The cream will split. Now, when I was developing this recipe, the conundrum was, how do you mix hot Werther's caramel into cold whipped cream and not get it to do this? Well, I have an idea. So, like any good chef who fails, and you will fail as a chef sometimes, it just happens, we're gonna try again. So let's do this. Okay, so I'm going to cheat a little bit, and I'm going to use this guy rather than hand making whipped cream, because to incorporate the caramel sauce into the whipped cream, I need to constantly be whisking, and I can't constantly whisk and pour the hot caramel into the bowl at the same time. So I'm going to use this bad boy, and we'll get it done that way. So I'm sorry to disappoint anybody that had their heart set on, seeing me make whipped cream by hand. This is going to work. I think I over whipped and made butter. So, back to the drawing board. Actually though, it's pretty much a caramel flavored butter, so that's good. Okay, so the way we got the whipped cream to work is you have to get the cream started. You don't want it thick. You just want to have it kind of starting to get thick, okay? While that's happening, take your caramels, put a little bit of cream in it, and heat it, and that makes sure it stays liquid, and that's important. You melt your caramels with a little bit of cream over low heat, and then once that's liquid, then come back. You just crank the mixer as high as it'll go, and it'll start to thicken up. As it's doing that, slowly drizzle in that caramel sauce, and that allows it to incorporate itself in the cream, and thereby taking on the flavor of the Werther's Original. Or you could just do what I did. I cranked the mixer up as fast as it'll go with the cream, and then I added the caramel sauce, piping hot, all at the same time, and made caramel flavored butter. So, if caramel flavored butter is your thing, that could be a whole other show. That, ladies and gentlemen, is just how easy it could be to make delicious cold brewed iced coffee at home. Well, that's all I have time for this week, but to be kept up to date with future episodes, simply click on the bell icon down below. You'll be sent a notification each time a new show comes out, so you don't miss a thing. So if you enjoyed this week's episode, please feel free to give that like button some love and subscribe. And if you found the video useful, please feel free to share it, as it does help this channel grow immensely. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section down below. I would love to read them. Recipes, as always, are down in the description box. My name is Chef Matt with Kitchen Instruments, thanking you for stopping by, and I'll see you guys next time.